Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have something a little different today. I have a heating pad. This is from the company ComfyTemp. And this is the box. It came very nicely packaged in this box. It was in an outer box. It came to me from Amazon. The company ComfyTemp asked me to show you this today because today and tomorrow Amazon is having a special again, like they did back in the summer, where they're having like the Black Friday days. They're having them throughout the year. So they're doing that again, special promotion days. And you can look at this product on their website. It's ComfyTemp.com, or you can look at it on Amazon. And I'll have the links below for this. And it sells for $29.99. And there'll be a special for the Amazon Prime days. So this is what it looks like. I took it out of the box. It's really nice looking, y'all. All right, this is it here. It's a fabulous fabric. Nice and soft. If you can see, like a stuffed animal is what it feels like. And it has all these little, whatever you call it. That's where, you know, these lines, that's where the heat's gonna go through. The other side is gray. And I didn't have it plugged in yet because I wanted to show you the cord. Now, there is the tag there. You can actually wash this, but you can cut this tag off. They show that you can cut that off. You can wash this in your washing machine, which is very nice because, you know, if you're not feeling well and you get sick, you know, it's nice to be able to do something like that. So this is the cord. This is how it's attached to the heating pad. And then it comes out this way. You've got your remote control. It's not, I don't know if you call it a remote control because it's attached to the wires, but then you have your plug right here. So, and I'm gonna plug it in and show you how it works. But when you go to wash it, what you do is you just unplug this here and see how that is? It's sort of like a computer hookup. So then you can put this in the wash, which is so nice. Let me just make sure I put it back in properly. Okay, and then there, it snaps back in, so it's secure. And then it has your directions here. So I'm going to plug it in. So here it is. I have it turned on, and this is the controller. It is very, very easy to use. You just press this here. I have it on low right now. When you turn it on, it automatically does the 2-hour auto off so that you can't, you know, burn yourself. It will turn off automatically after 2 hours in case you were to fall asleep on it. And there's medium and high. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's so easy to take care of. One more click turns the whole thing off. So you can keep it plugged in. I think my old-fashioned one, you have to unplug to turn it off. So it's just very easy to use. See, I have it on low, and it just feels on low. It feels really, really nice. And like I said, you could throw this over a shoulder. Let me do it this way because the cord is there. Your shoulder is bothering you. You know, your neck is bothering you. You can put it on your belly if you know, have cramps or something. You could lay it down on the bed and lay on it. It's very, very nice. Let me see if I can tell you the dimensions of it. It's less than 1 pound, and it is 12 inches by 24 inches. So this here is 12 inches, and then this is 24 inches. So that's the size of it. Very nice size. And it has a 5-year warranty, y'all. That's excellent. 5-year warranty. It has a 365-day free replacement for your first year, 90-day free return. And they have a email where you could contact them if you have any trouble with it. And it's just really nice. I'm liking it. 24-hour, you'll get a contact back within 24 hours. And that's it. It's very easy to take care of. Even a child could use it. Very easy to use. And like I said, you just turn it off. There you go. It's off now. And that's it. So that is the heating pad from ComfyTemp. And like I said, I'll put the links below for you to go find it on Amazon and get it while Prime Days are going on. That's the time to buy this kind of stuff. Especially, it's a good time to start with your Christmas shopping if you haven't yet. There's going to be a lot of great things on Amazon Prime, and this will be one of them. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.